Hello, in this video we'll show you how to create a tool library. You can rename if necessary. For example, right-click and select Rename. Now right-click, select Save as User Operation. When all options are done, click Apply and OK. For now, this tool was saved in SprutCAM database. See the example. We deleted the current operation and create a new one. As you can see, now our save tool is in the list. You saved one time and now you can use it every time when you need it and not make settings every time. Press reset and run. You can use this function for any of operations. That's all about creating tool library. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.